Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing 9th class mathematics, assignment number 66 related to the topic mensuration. Right? Here is the first question. A toy is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. The height of the toy is 25 centimeters. Then the total surface area of toy, if its common diameter 12 centimeters is given. The toy is in the form of cylinder, right, surmounted by hemisphere, like this, right. So this total height is given, how much? 25 centimeters. Total height is 25 centimeters, and radius, common diameter is nothing but radius is 6 centimeters. So radius is 6 centimeters. Here also the radius is 6 centimeter. Radius is given 6 centimeter. Then what we have to find? Total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but, if you observe, lateral surface area of this cylinder plus lateral surface area of this hemisphere plus base area of this cylinder. Once again, total surface area of this toy is nothing but lateral surface area of this cylinder plus base area of this cylinder plus lateral surface area of this hemisphere, right. That is equal to, so total surface area of this toy is nothing but LSA of cylinder plus LSA of sphere plus base area of cylinder, right. So lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h plus lateral surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square plus base area of the cylinder pi r square. Base area of the cylinder is pi r square. Now here and here I will take pi r take common. Here it is 2h plus here it is 3r. 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. In that 3 pi r square, pi r I will take common, that is remaining is 3r. So that is equal to, pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r. Radius, common diameter is given, diameter is 12 centimeters, so radius is 6 centimeters into 6 into 2h, 2 into height of the cylinder. Here h is nothing but height of the cylinder. So total height is 25, so height of the hemisphere is given 6, so height of the cylinder is 25 minus 6, that is equal to 19. So 2 into 19, that is 38 plus 3 into r is 6, 3 6 are 18, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 6 into, so 48, 56, 8 times, that is equal to 22 into 48. So 22 into 48, calculate. 48 into 22, 2 8s are 16, 4 9, 2 8s are 16, 4 9, that is 6 5 1 0 5 6, that is equal to 1056 centimeter square. So the correct answer is option 2, 1056 centimeter square. Now coming to the next one, a jewel box, see in this figure, is in the shape of cuboid of dimensions 30 centimeters, 15 centimeters into 10 centimeters. This is nothing but length, breadth and height of that cuboid is given, surmounted by a half part of cylinder as shown in the figure. This is half part of the cylinder shown in the figure. The volume of the box is, so here the volume of the box is nothing but volume of box is equal to volume of cuboid plus 1 by 2 volume of 1 by 2 into volume of cylinder, 1 by 2 volume of that cylinder. So volume of cuboid LBH, that is 30 into 15 into 10 plus 1 by 2 into volume of cylinder pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is nothing but, this is the, see here, this is the diameter of the cylinder. So what is radius? Radius is, diameter is given 15, right? So radius is 15 by 2 into 15 by 2 into height. What is height? Height is 30 centimeters into 30. That is equal to, this is nothing but 4,500 plus this 2 11 times and this 2 15 times. So that is equal to 11 into 15 into 15 into 15 by 14. That is equal to 4,500 plus this value is 2651.79 approximately. That if you add these two, that is 4,500 plus 2651.79, that is 79 1 5 11 1, that is 7,151.79 centimeter cube. That is option 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one. A funnel consists of a frustum of cone attached to a cylindrical portion 20 centimeter long, 12 centimeter long, attached at the bottom. If the total height be 20 centimeter, the diameter of the cylindrical portion be 12 centimeter, and the diameter of the top of the funnel be 24 centimeter, then outer surface area of the funnel is. So the funnel is in the form of like this. Like this frustum, right? So here given funnel attached a cylindrical portion 12 centimeter long attached at the bottom. So height of this is 12 centimeter. Height is 12 centimeter. Diameter of a cylindrical portion be 12 centimeter. Diameter means 12 centimeters means radius is 6 centimeters, and the diameter of a top of the funnel be 24 centimeters. So this radius is 12 centimeter. Then the outer surface area of this funnel. Outer surface area is nothing but lateral surface area of this frustum plus lateral surface area of the cylinder. So that is equal to, suppose the height of the cylinder is, this height is, I can treat it as h1, height of this one is h2, suppose height of that one is h2. So area of that cylinder is, lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h1 plus area of the frustum, the lateral surface area of the frustum, pi into r plus r into L. So what is this L? L is nothing but slant height of the frustum of the cone. So slant height L is equal to square root of r minus r whole square plus h square. That is equal to, what is r? R, capital R is nothing but 12, small r is nothing but 6. That is 12 minus 6 whole square is, that is 6 square, 36 plus height. Height is, what is the height of this one? height of this funnel is given how much? A funnel consists of a frustum of a cone attached to a cylindrical portion 8 centimeter long. 8 centimeter long. So, 12 centimeter long, that is not 12, this one you treat it as 8 centimeter. So, 64, that is equal to 10. So, that is equal to 2 into, here you take a pi, take common, that is 2 into, what is R? R is nothing but 6 into what is the height? Height of this cylinder is total height be 8 centimeters is given. Sorry, not this. This is 12 centimeters only, right? So this total is 20 centimeter. Height is 12 centimeter. Now the height of this funnel is 8 centimeter, right? So R6 into height of this funnel is 12 plus R plus R. R is 12 plus 6. 12 plus small r is 6 into L is 10. So that is equal to 22 by 7 into 144 plus 180. 144 plus 180, that is 1018.28 centimeter square. 1018.28 centimeter square, that is option 4 is the correct answer. This is today's assignment. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.